Jalup jatend piny Kenya, RIGATHI wacho ni yepo mag skunde biro dhi nyime mana kaka nopangi, kata obedo ni skunde 64 oroch kod oula kaluwore kod koth mapek mamedo goyo pachoka. RIGATHI olero ni sirikal maduong' oikore mar tiyo kamoro achiel kod mag counties mar medo kedo kod midhiero mikelo kod oula.
For the purposes of the country, the schools will reopen as scheduled, as planned. But where there are cases where the people on the ground, the county governments plus the national government administration and the directors of education in those respective counties make a recommendation to the PS, basic education, we can always extend for a few days as things settle down. We have also asked the National Treasury to give priority to counties that have been affected so that they can access funds owed to them for the purposes of emergencies.